Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Tapo C200 camera with the new Wi-Fi network in 2026. So first of all, here is one important thing that you need to understand is the Tapo C200 does not currently allow you to directly switch to a new Wi-Fi network from the camera settings. So in order to connect it to a different network, you will need to first of all reset and then you need to set up the camera again. So first of all, you need to make sure that your camera is plugged in and it should also be powered on during the entire process. Afterwards, you need to also wait until camera finishes booting and the status LED is stable before moving to the next step. Now, you need to simply locate the reset button on top of your camera. Then you need to press and hold this reset button for at least 5 seconds until you hear a prompt or until you see the LED starts flashing. Now, once this is done, simply launch your Tapo application on your phone. Then inside the application, you will see the plus icon on the top right hand corner. So you need to simply tap on that. Afterwards, from the given list of the cameras, you just have to simply select your Tapo C200 and then simply follow further on-screen setup instructions. Now, during the setup, the phone is going to ask you to connect to the cameras to the temporary Wi-Fi network, and the network name usually start with Tapo Cam XXX. So you need to simply connect to it and then you need to return to the Tapo application in order to continue the setup process. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.